today we're on a little road trip in an undisclosed location in Tennessee. Well, we got to looking on Marketplace and found something we were interested in. So we're over here picking it up now. Part of it is on the back of the truck already, and we're about to load up the rest of it. Got an engine here on the back. That's just part of the deal. So we'll get up here in a minute and show you what we're picking up. Okay, well here it is. I think this is about a 70 Chevy C10 project that was started. It's got a good frame, cab, comes with a lot of parts with it, extra doors, I think some fenders, wheels, the engine. So this was a project that was started, and they decided to go ahead and get rid of it. I think it's got a new floorboard. Cab's in good shape, other than it needs rockers. Not sure if those are coming with it or not, but those are easy to come by. So we're getting this loaded up. It's just a slight hill right down through there. So we'll get this winched. Tires are flat, so it should be okay to winch down the hill, but we'll see how that goes in just a minute. So yeah, here it is. Yet another project. But it was a good deal, so couldn't pass it up. And we'll show you what parts come with it in a few minutes once we get this down there on the truck. Alright, we're going to get it winched down to the rollback now. Using that block over there to try to get the tires to turn a little bit and prevent it from rolling down the hill and taking out any of the landscaping. It's like the back ones are flat. You probably need to let the air out of the front ones too, and have something to just throw under the tire once it starts rolling. I had to link a couple of chains together to hook up to the winch. Luckily we had enough chains on the truck to do that. Alright, here we go again. Getting hot out here already. It's not even lunchtime yet. It is warm.
Good conversation piece, right?
Thankfully it's not freewheeling down the hill like we thought it may end up doing, so that's good.
I can roll with it better than with. But then again, if you didn't want to roll and run it over. I know, right? we're doing pretty good so far. Better than I thought we would.
We sure appreciate him helping get this loaded today too. That went a whole lot easier than expected. We just didn't want to damage any of the grass here. His sister-in-law and brother work hard to keep this yard landscaped, so we're gonna try not to damage anything. Keep it looking nice and neat. Looks like that frame's been powder coated, so that's a good thing. Alright, just a couple feet to go. And then it'll be on the bed. Then we can load up the rest of the parts. Camera is getting hot already. These things don't like the heat. Alright, well it is on there. So let's get this thing, get the chains picked up, and then get the rest of the parts loaded. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, we're backing over here to the storage shed to pick up the rest of the parts so we don't have to carry them. So let's get over here and see what we got. Go ahead and load what they can on the back of the truck, and he said that he would bring some of these parts to us on his trailer or his truck if we needed him to, because I think the transmission and all that goes with it, and there's some totes with some parts too. But if he can't do that, then if we can't get it all today, we'll come back up here in the pickup truck and put the rest of it in the GMC. So there's all the extra parts and the fenders, and he said a little bit of everything goes with it. It was pretty much ready to put together. So let's see what we're going to take back with us today and how we're going to arrange to get all of this back home. So there's the totes of parts there. We're going to try putting into the cab. We'll just have to strap everything down. We even got some beauty rings there. Alright, they decided to move the truck back here a little closer to the storage area. Trying to get the fenders and some other parts loaded up there at the front so we can strap it down. Put all the sheet metal up there in front of the truck.
Where'd you put them on the top? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We kind of set them how they go and just strap it down.
Got the tires tucking over there. Got some of the parts loaded up here in front. Decided to go ahead and hang the driver's side door on there, strap it down so that it'll hold the totes of parts that they put inside. And then the bed fenders, they just set those there. We're gonna strap those down and they can just ride right there where they belong. Here it comes with another door. I think it has 2 sets of doors and maybe 2 sets of fenders. Good thing I brought us extra shirts. I even brought deodorant, because I don't think we can handle riding in the truck together with no deodorant. He's out of breath. He might just leave me alone. And good thing we brought our cooler. I said it's a good thing we brought a cooler with some drinks in it. Definitely need those more than anything. Maybe our air conditioning in the truck will unfreeze. It froze up when we just about got here and quit working, so hopefully we'll have air on the way back. If not, it's gonna be a hot ride home. Well, everything is loaded. Just got to get everything strapped down. Still got the bench seat we got to put up there. We're just going to sit it up there on the front of the frame and strap it to the frame, and then we'll be able to roll out. So we're going to get all this ready to roll. Got the transmission loaded up too. It's there on the back. Hopefully we're rolling the straps. Well, they got the seat loaded up on the front of the truck there. Getting this strapped down, and then I think we are good to go. We will be getting this thing on back and then wait until it cools off this evening or maybe even tomorrow before we unload it. We sure do appreciate him helping us load, or helping Thomas load this stuff. That has really helped out a lot. We're going to head on back to the shop, so probably video this when we get it unloaded. Well, we've made it back to the shop. Time to get these parts unloaded. We're going to store them here and lock them up in our storage trailer. So y'all stay tuned for this next project. It'll be coming up soon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And check us out on all the social media platforms. So we're going to get this unloaded before it gets dark. And we'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching.